The baby receives oxygen and nutrients from the mother, which are essential for proper development and healthy growth. During early pregnancy, symptoms like nausea, vomiting, tiredness, mood changes, and sleepiness are very common. These changes are natural and usually part of the body adjusting to pregnancy. The first 3 months of pregnancy are very sensitive. During this time, proper rest, drinking plenty of water, and avoiding stress and heavy work are extremely important. A healthy diet plays a key role during pregnancy. Foods like milk, eggs, fruits, vegetables, and nuts provide essential vitamins and minerals that support the baby's growth and keep the mother strong. During pregnancy, avoid junk food, excessive tea or coffee, smoking, and alcohol. Never take any medicine without consulting your doctor, as it may harm the baby. Light physical activity, such as a slow walk, is very beneficial during pregnancy. It improves blood circulation, reduces stress, and helps maintain overall health. Regular doctor visits and ultrasound checkups are very important. They help monitor the baby's development and ensure the mother's health throughout pregnancy. Each month, the baby grows